Mirum Isaac Mutumanto thinkia nikira mandagitari baba bakumba kwithira bakiuga ati bombete kwithira bakiairwo kagita gakaraja kiri kongero marija ona kinya mayandikithia jara bombete kwithira bagikinya kiri county mugomo jojo jombete kwithira jogikinya kiume kya bathatu entuko ya narua nera mandagitari jaja kuga ati nande cibitari cia county ya Meru cietumira aritona kinya antu bare rungu rwa internship kurigita ajie nikira nande mandagitari jaja kuga onto bubu igwikira ajio gwatine bubu nene iboretie ngabona wa county ya Meru kumba kwithirwa agichiumiria werune na kwariria mantu jaja nikenda gutigira rwangiro okima irukumba kwithirwa rukirunga mabwega nuntu mbecha nyingi ritengagwa chige mantu jaja ichiumbite kwithirwa ikere kithirwa kiri mirandi ingije kuthondeka barabara.
Clinical officers power! Sisi ndio clinical officers, ndio? Na sisi ndio wahudumu wa afya, ndio? Na sisi ndio madaktari, ndio? Now, tuko hapa kwa ajili tuko na date na governor na alielezwa tunakuja, ndio? Why are we here? I want you to listen to me very clearly. We are here because the governor has backtracked on our previous agreement. Yes. Not one, not two, yes. 3 of them. Sindio? You must understand that this is a governor who took over from another governor. Sindio? The main reason and the agenda for the other governor who we said she failed was because of health, sindio? Now, he promised to ensure that his priority shall be all-time matters of health, sindio? The first thing that walisema ni nini? Alisema atafanya promotion and redesignation of our clinical officers ambaye haiku imefanywa na previous governor, sindio? Alipoingia akasema hiyo budget haikuwa yake, si ndio? There was some money. There was money to promote people. Akaomba apewe muda. Na tukakubaliana na yeye, si ndio? This year wao wenyewe wanasema walikuwa na 100 million kwa budget, si ndio? Sisi tumeshafanya tathmini yetu, tumejua they had over 210 million, si ndio? This was money that was intended to promote clinical officers, to redesignate them, and to ensure that we can employ more healthcare workers. Now, he has not done any promotion. We have had 3 meetings with this county. Whatever they are promising is that we wait for the next financial year. And we ask, hii pesa mnasema ilikuwa, the money that you say that it was available for promotion, imeenda wapi? When the county secretary called the chief officer for the waziri in charge of finance, akasema last year they promoted our people 28 of them. Na ni uongo, si ndio?
Clinical officers from Meru, we are away from the place of work because county government of Meru has declared strike in the clinical department. And even as I start, I think I've seen also the county secretary. Wacha kutuchungulia kwa dirisha. Wacha kutuchungulia kwa dirisha. We are here because you have neglected the Department of Health. So this strike has been occasioned by your negligence and even arrogance. Because even you are saying that you cannot meet our leadership, which is in Meru, because they are incompetent. That shows you are incompetent first. You are incompetent first. And we want to tell the governor The reason why the members of the Republic, as the members of the residents of Meru, they cannot be able to enjoy the rights of Article 41 of our Constitution is because you are placed incompetent and arrogant people in the office and in the Department of Health.
Nonto dero karo maua tere muntora babu bwinde bodure te bamote mutongo yenu au ikia no etakia babu bwetia
Ono gwatinda ngitine cio bici cia ngabana mandagitari batindite bakendaga kumba kwithirwa bakengirwa wirane bwa